Hi everyone, it's Carmelita from jeffandcarmelita.com, and I just want to share with you what I've learned today. And I've built a funnel for one of our businesses. It says check my mic. I'm checking my mic. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing my mic once again. Testing 1 2 3. Okay, let's check it out, make sure it's recording. Anyway, I'm going to share with you what I did this morning, and I'm going to share my desktop with you. You're going to see how I built a funnel today. Let's test this one. All right, I am now sharing my screen. This is our My Lead System Pro system, and you can get this system too, but I'm just going to show you what I did today. Today I went in here and I went to our funnelizer, and I went down here to create a funnel, and I have several funnels here. I just built this funnel here for our real estate investing, and I just created this page, and I'll show you a quick step how I built the page. Hold on. Let's go to edit, and we'll come over here to edit. All right, and I'll click here. It allowed me to insert a picture of us here, and I just have some pictures that we have previously uploaded to our website. So I just put our picture of me and my husband here, and then I just edited this information here. Sell your house fast. Need to sell your house fast? Let us help you. We buy houses. Even if you haven't had success selling your home, we buy houses as is. And then after that, I created this contact us button, and this contact us button will take them to our Facebook page, because we want to let people get to know us a little bit and see what we're about. But after they come to the Facebook page and they look at that, then it's going to take them to our actual website. And then I'm going to build another funnel, and it's going to take them to the website. So I have different funnels to put out there to advertise and market. So, and then over here is where you can enter the title, the description, keyword tag search over here. And then we can test out the funnel. Well, after you do that, you close it out, you exit. We can preview it here, which we were already previewing it. And it shows you here, contact us today. And it takes you to our Facebook page where you can see a little bit about us. But if you go here, you want to send us a message. I probably can't send myself a message on Facebook, but let's try it anyway. I did set up our Facebook page. Let me just show you what I did. I set up our Facebook business page under settings here and under messaging. So what I did here is to update the messaging response. So when someone comes to our Facebook page and they want to send us a message, I turned on the send instant reply to anyone who messages us on our page, and this is the message they'll receive, and it shows you what it would look like on the phone. Hold on. That went to the wrong spot. Sorry about that. Okay, this is the message they'll receive on the phone. Thanks for messaging us. We try to be responsive as soon as possible. We'll get back to you within, oh, that's a typo, for the next 24 to 48 hours. Go here to learn more. And this is one of our websites, www.peaktimebuyshouses.com. And then here's another message to show. This is a greeting that will greet people we'll see the first time when they open up a conversation with us in Messenger. and then it says hi, and it just put my name there. Thanks for getting in touch with us on Messenger. Learn more. And then we put our website here, peaktimebuyshouses.com. And then the message, if they haven't responded to us within a month, so it'll follow up and send them a message within a month. And it says, hi, we'd love to get back with you on another appointment, and it will send them the calendar to, it will send that out to them so they can contact us to schedule an appointment. So I just wanted to show you this quick funnel that we built, that I built through our My Lead System Pro system. Now you can get a membership to My Lead System Pro for you can get a trial membership for $10 to try it out, see how you like it, and it will take you through each step that you need. There's the 6 steps to getting started, and it will take you through these steps to getting started. I'll show you where they are. See, it's right here. It says get started here if you're new. I'm going to click there and I'll show you what it does. It takes you through the steps to get started here. It has step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. Everything's in here. This is an excellent system. It can be used for any business. Right now, we're using this to create our real estate investment funnel, but we're also using it for a network marketing company that we are a part of, and then we are also using it for My Lead System Pro, and we're also using it for another company that we're also an affiliate of. So take a look. It's a great investment. It'll be the best $10 you ever spent. And also, let me show you one more thing, the subscriptions. Let's go to membership. Not that one. Let's go to subscriptions real quick. Okay. I'm going to show you the subscription. So you can get the basic subscription for $49. I'll show you here. I'm going to click that there. $49 a month. That's less than the cost of most people's cell phone bill. So you can either invest in something that's going to help you to generate income, or you can invest in a cell phone bill. But you just equated that it's a business investment and it's only $49 for you to get started, which is great. Or that's the basic membership, or you can get the pro membership if you're a serious business builder and you're just getting started. You can get the pro membership. It'll give you access to more tools and systems and some help desk, and I'll go back up and show you that. But you can get the pro system for $49.97. Now, if you are a big business builder and you got a lot of stuff you want to share with people and you want to get your training out there, then you can get the premium system for $299, but you can also get a discount if you buy for 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. So let me show you what those subscriptions include. The basic includes 1,000 contacts. Doesn't include a blogging platform. I'll show you that. It does include Funnelizer, which is the system where you just saw me build our funnel for our real estate investing business. And then you get storage, where the storage is here. The storage is the stuff that you upload, like this right here, the stuff that you upload into the system in order to create your funnel or create your blog. Now, at the professional level, this is the level that we started off with the $10 membership. We did a 10-day trial, and then we upgraded to the professional level because we want to implement all our systems into here, and we want to generate leads for those systems, and we want to share this great product with other business owners or future entrepreneurs or MLL people who want to get their business off to the next level. So with the professional subscription, you get 10,000 contacts, you get 1 blog, MLSP blog, where you can share content, and then you get 25 funnels, 2 custom domains, and 5 gigs of storage. And with a premium, you get 2 blogs, unlimited contacts, 2 blogs, 100 funnels, 5 custom domains, and 25 gigs. This is a great system. It's phenomenal. There's lots of training in there. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee off the trial membership. And I'm just going to show you, we've just been sharing the system and also sharing different campaigns. I'm going to show you how much traffic we've been able to generate to our website. So this shows you the number of impressions, meaning the number of people who have seen our websites or our post. Okay, and this represents the people who clicked on it, and then this represents the people who actually confirmed and put their email address in there. And then this is people who actually attended some stuff, and then this is the sales column there. So that's just that one. And I'm happy to share with you for this system. We did just get our first sale for this system yesterday. So keep watching. We're going to use these as tools to help us grow our other businesses as well as this business. So this is another set. It's been over 200 people. Someone's dinging my phone. I'll get back to that in a minute. And then over here, it shows, here's the sale right here that we made yesterday. And this particular sales have had, these particular programs have 16 people. And then here, this one's had 184 views. Now, 2 years ago, we were using a different system and we didn't get any traffic like this. This system is allowing us to get more traffic and to generate more leads for our business. And to show you, here is also where you can go to join our wake up calls and our podcasts. The information here, or I can send you a link. I'll put a link at the bottom of this video so you can see where you need to go, and it has pre-done for you swipe copy for us to send people to help them. So if you're looking to start your business or you're looking to enhance your business that you already have, this is an excellent tool. You can have one-on-one mentoring coaches if you want. We do have our autoresponders set up in here. I do have to add some more things in here for our autoresponders, but it does show you that you can set up autoresponders in here, and then there's step-by-step videos. Sorry about that. There's step-by-step videos there that you can share. Step-by-step videos to show you how to get through the training. So you're not here by yourself. We over here, we have our support system. You just click on here. It'll take you to support. Let me go back one. I'll show you a couple of other things. You click here. It takes you over to our Facebook our Facebook page. This is a closed group. And then if you click on here, it takes you to the Facebook fan page, and this is where the morning wake-up calls are held every Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. We are willing to help you get your system set up, and just note, this system right here is step by step. You can go at your own pace, or if you need a little help, you can post messages in our Facebook group. And if you sign up today, we will add you to our Facebook group and walk you through the startup process of getting you started and getting you off on a fast track. So talk to you later. We will continue to share with you the things that we've learned and the things that we've progressed on. And let me just share with you some other stuff we've done so far. Let me show you. This is our Jeff and Carmelita website that we updated since we've been using the My Lead System Pro system. And I'm just going to show you. This is our little welcome page, and we also created a video. Definitely helps to create a little camaraderie. So I'm the Dallas girl, and he's the
to our
Texas
Jeff and
person.
Carmelita.com website. There is plenty of tools for you to browse around to learn a lot of information about affiliate marketing and network marketing. Be sure to check out the videos and to subscribe and get the link to our limited time free ebook and enjoy it.
Also, make sure you subscribe. We appreciate you coming by. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and we love to be friends with you. Thanks a lot.
All right, now if you want a free 30-minute consultation, feel free to go to our Facebook fan page and sign up for the 30-minute consultation where we can assess what your needs are and help you get started.
All right. Sounds great.
Bye-bye.
All right, now if you want the free ebook, you would just simply click here and it will take you to the ebook link. And this is what we created here, and you'll get instant tips for how to how to create your social media presence and how to set up your social media account. But this is everything that we've learned here in this system, learning this system. And let me show you one more thing here. Now, that link from our Facebook page, that Facebook business page for Peak Time Solutions, it's coming over here to this page where it's our We Buy Houses page. So, and then it will gather the information and put it in our system that we have our database in. So just wanted to share with you how we're connecting and using our tools. And we are super excited about the tools that we have in our hand, and we look forward to sharing more one-on-one videos with you, or sharing with you how you too can use these tools to grow your business. And remember, a $10 investment that can change your life, making no guarantees, because it does take hard work and dedication to do this, okay? Talk to you later. Just like anything else, takes hard work and dedication. Now remember to inspire, to empower someone today. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.